happening, friends? It's Hunter here, and I'm out here in Broomfield, Colorado. Beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky. Broncos are about to play here in a couple hours. They're not doing too hot, but we're still supporting them out here for now. I'm here to do a walkthrough on this house. This house was originally built for the owner of Vertex Homes, and ironically, halfway through the process, an awesome couple came up and offered them enough money to then continue the build on and let Matt let it go and give them the opportunity to have this awesome spot up here in Broomfield. We're in about $1 million home area. There is no real price range. This never is going to go necessarily on the market because they're closing on Thursday and homeowners are excited to walk in. Let's go on in, give you a quick tour of the work that was done, and let's check it out. All right, guys, let's head on inside. I'm going to sneak the shoes off. The floors were just finished. All right, so as you come in, we got a beautiful foyer, or a foyer as we walk in. Just got a large coat closet on the side here, single shelf, single rod, just to hang all the coats up, put the shoes in, shut the front here. And we're just gonna go around kind of in an order around this house so you guys can just kind of see somewhat of the floor layout. This house isn't staged, so might be kind of hard to imagine how you'd put the couch or how you'd put your bed in the room, but we're just gonna take a quick walk around the whole house just so you can kind of see what detail went into it. Let's go into this first room here right off the side of the foyer, and this is gonna be the homeowner's kind of guest bedroom slash mother-in-law suite. We do have kind of a nice large open room, large bay window here with a walk-in closet and its own separate bathroom here on the side. Guys, you're gonna see all bathrooms are gonna have nice tile features, granite countertops, some cool mosaics in the shower, and most of them with all these really nice glass solid doors. There's gonna be a couple areas that aren't finished yet. This house is closing this coming Thursday, which is about 3-4 days from now. So there are a couple unfinished things that we're gonna walk by, but it's almost there. Homeowners are super excited. So we're walking back out into the foyer, coming in from the front door. We got our bedroom on the side, and then we kind of walk into this large great room area, which, turn on a couple lights for you. We've got our rail, we've got our mantle, we've got some open shelving, and just a really large open floor plan. Kind of integrating the kitchen to the family room, all one big open area. We do have our first floor powder bathroom right off to the side here. Once again, nice granite countertops, guys, and all the light fixtures, and if you notice all the doorknobs, the hinges, the toilet paper holder, the light, all that stuff matches. All the finishes are gonna look super clean in this house and everything's gonna match. As we step in, we do have the kitchen behind us. A lot of cabinet space in here, very large island with actual cabinets on both sides, really wide. But additionally, we still have a full pantry off to the side here where we did sneak an area. If you want to step inside, we did sneak an area. They wanted to hide the microwave, so to say. So it is just kind of a basic 1x16 composite board shelving, but they want to hide their microwave in here. Thought that was kind of a unique feature. Put it in the pantry. Keep it out of the eyesight of the open area. Nice appliances. And once again, guys, I said nice countertops. This all came from one distributor here in the area, and these countertops are going to match throughout the bathrooms. Match the powder bath here. It matched the first bathroom that we just walked into. Really nice, really large slabs. Kind of gets pricey the larger the slabs. Come on in over here, guys. We got just kind of this is our entry from the garage. We do have a nice 3-car large garage coming in right from the kitchen. It is oversized garage doors too, so for some of you that have some trucks that might be a little lifted or might have a topper on the back of them with a rack, 9-foot, 10-foot garages will definitely get your vehicle in rather than those 8-foot garages. So large amount of space, and the homeowner does have a couple trucks. Right here we do have our floor grates still kind of, I guess, drying, but this is our notorious drop zone for Vertex homes. We try to integrate one of these almost into every home. It's just a really easy, simple feature coming in from the fire door, from your garage. It's your drop zone. You drop everything right here, kind of organize the coats, the boots, maybe the purses or the keys or whatever it may be, along with another closet for your hanging accessories. All right, keep heading out here, coming into the kitchen. If you guys want to kind of envision, this is going to be more of the dining room setup, obviously off to the side, large windows looking out. This is to be to the north. Don't see the mountain ranges just yet. There's a lot of trees in the way. So to the north, not going to really see a mountain range. It's really to the west, unfortunately. But let's head back through. Nice fireplace. Switches. The TV will go up there. They wanted to put their TV above the box mantle. And guys, super easy. 3 pieces of hemlock, 8 foot long, cut down, we'll say mitered. And made to look super easy. Just a box mounted to the wall. We'll have to do a how-to on installing one of these. Very easy. So, all right, guys, so let's head over to this side. Walking in, we've got the first floor laundry. So a couple things unfinished. They're still trying to get the washer and dryer fully installed and the sinks fully installed in here. But we do have, once again, same countertops, gorgeous. Large units for storage, full washer and dryer. Coming out of the laundry, walking straight into the master bedroom. So this is a ranch. We've got a finished basement we're about to see. So master's on the first floor. Very large open room. One unique feature is we sneak out. Yes, I know you guys saw the large windows in the family room, but we can sneak out from the master bedroom out onto the deck as well. So nice large open deck. We do have the doors that can be opened into the family room, kind of opening the theme, large open theme. What's really cool too, guys, here in Broomfield, there are some ranch lands or farmlands. The city keeps expanding. Denver metro area is only about 30 minutes, so we keep expanding further and further away. So this is kind of a unique spot here. This is owned by one gentleman, and until he sells this land back here, this entire area will stay open and builders won't be able to come in and build any homes. So hopefully for the homeowners on this new property, they'll have a nice clear view for a while yet to come. All right, guys, head back into the master. Just gonna shut this door too. Little breezy day. Is gorgeous, but still has a little breeze to it with this fall weather. So we came in from the master. Now need to head into the master bathroom. Nice, it's kind of like a his and her setup. Obviously the his, kind of the smaller side, and then right behind you, we've got the her setup, larger countertop for all the essentials that she needs. Once again, guys, solid glass doors, into a shower. Really cool, guys. If you want to look in here, we've got a floor drain off to the side over here. So there's really nothing in the center. Everything is sloped off right here into the side. And we do have one side with a shower arm that can be taken off. We do have another side that's secured and stationary to the wall. And on the ceiling, kind of more of a rain shower head as well. So turn all these on and I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to get clean. Simple room over here, guys. Just it's the water closet. Just a separate room for the toilet off to the side. Extra storage cabinet up above it. Just a small room. Nothing to really emphasize on. But then coming out of the bathroom, we do have the master closet, and it's just a mirrored image, his and her. Kind of a lot of hanging space. Hopefully they'll fill it with all the clothes. It's an awesome couple, and they've got 2 grandkids that spend a lot of time with them. So we're gonna head down to the basement here after this closet and kind of show you their space. 2 grandkids that spend a lot of time with their grandparents. Do want to take a second to, right before we head down, this is a really gorgeous rail that I installed. We do have the iron balusters, and if you can tell, there's different twists in the balusters to make different patterns. So, you know, if you go to Home Depot and you can find these balusters, you can make your own different patterns, and they're pretty easy to install. Switch them out with wood ones if you're ready. We'll do a how-to on how to just swap out our wood balusters and replace iron in the future here. But let's head downstairs. All right, guys, now that we're downstairs, you can notice that we got the same hardwood floor from upstairs throughout, which is really beautiful. It's on cement floor too, so the hardwood guys did a great job with installing, and it's more of a glue than any type of nail when we're putting it on concrete. But the flooring guys from Guys Floors did a great job. We got a bar, full wet bar over here. We got the sink, we got the dishwasher, we got a bunch of storage space for all the wine glasses. Bunch of storage space on this side too, maybe for the bottles. Coming into this little side room is just our downstairs powder bath. Nothing too crazy, but we need a downstairs powder bath for right outside the bar needs. All right, guys, another really unique feature that Vertex Homes likes doing, or that I really like installing too, is it's a bookcase. No, I'm just kidding. It's a bookcase, but the bookcase also opens too, guys. And what's kind of cool is the two grandkids have kind of like a little hidden room down there that's under the stairs. So it's unfinished space, but it's more storage, but it could be a little hide and go seek area for the kids in the future. And there'll be more of these to come. We'll show I kind of build them in different styles, different ways each time. So we'll have a couple more in the future to check out. But now that we've got a large open room down here for the basement, I see the grandkids pretty much just running the show down here. And we got 2 bedrooms off to the side. So let's just quickly walk through. It's just 2 bedrooms, but I tell you what, guys, each bedroom has a large closet, and we got a Jack and Jill connecting. So we just got a large closet in here, bunch of storage, nothing too crazy. All the kids can bring their toys, all their clothes, keep it out of the way of the grandparents. Then coming into the bathroom, just more beautiful granite, guys. Just very clean, very, very sleek looking. Jack and Jill, we got the shower and the toilet over here off to the side. Looks like the glass just needs to be finished. Got a couple more days and it'll all look perfect, but looks like the piece of glass needs to be finished in that bathroom. And over here, right through the Jack and Jill, is just the other bedroom, guys, with a nice large closet. So both grandkids, plenty of space every time they come over. Grandparents are gonna have fun with them. They're gonna run the whole basement as I envision. That's pretty much it, guys. We got upstairs. We came down here to the basement. I know it's kind of funny. There's no furniture in here, nothing on the walls yet. There's no staging, but you know, like I said, this project was a little different for Vertex Homes. It was bought halfway through the project. Money was right, so Matt, the owner, just couldn't pass it up, had to take it, and now he's looking for another piece of land in the future. Just want to say thanks, guys. If you've lasted this long throughout the walkthrough of the video, really hope you guys will check back in and look forward to maybe seeing some how-tos on maybe the rail or the mantle, or maybe this hidden crawl door that's over here off to the side. Really look forward to just getting some videos out there to show some really simple how-tos, some unique features to go in your home. So if you liked it, hit that like button, guys. Please subscribe. Bunch more content coming soon, and would just like to thank Vertex Homes, really, for letting me come in here, giving me the opportunity to do the work in here. Would also like to thank Brian and Ryan, the 2 guys that work with me as well. So that's it for today, guys. We got to go. Bronco game starting here soon. We're going to see what the outcome's going to be. I'm hoping we get our first win this season, but we'll see. Still got to support them. See you later, guys.